Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have yet another unboxing and review video for you. So sorry, I guess it's a bit boring if there's so many, but yeah, I just wanted to buy something and I just got it in the mail and I'm really excited about it, so I was like, I'm just gonna take my camera out and film a video. So here we are. Because I think reviews and like unboxing videos can be really helpful if you're wanting to shop and you're wanting to buy something but you're doing it online. At least I always find myself going back to YouTube to like search for others that have filmed like unboxings or review videos about the item that I'm about to purchase, and yeah, I just think it can be really helpful. So here we are today, doing another unboxing video. Today I got a package in the mail from AUG Australia. I own a pair of UGG boots. These aren't boots. I mean, can you tell? The box will be way too small. These are actually some shoes that I've been wanting for the past, I don't know, 5 or 6 years. So it's been a while. And I've just never really, I don't know actually why I never bought them. I guess because they're kind of pricey. But yeah, I don't know. This year I was just like, you know what, I'm going to splurge. This fall I really want those shoes, so I just went ahead and bought them. And here we are. So these are the Dakota slippers. They're moccasins, but on the website they're actually being sold as slippers to wear around the house. However, I don't plan on using them as slippers. I'm actually going to wear them out and about. I mean, if you think that's weird, then I don't care. That's just what I want to do with those shoes. I know some people wear them outside and it's fine because they've got like a really sturdy sole. So it should be no problem. I mean, just like not wear them when it's raining and you'll be fine. But anyway, so yeah, this is the box and I got them in a size UK 7, European 40, and US 9. And I got them on sale for $109. Oh, actually, I'm just now seeing on the box it says water resistant. Water resistant. But I'm definitely not going to wear them when it's wet outside or raining because I wouldn't want to ruin them, even if it says that it is water resistant. And I got these in the color, I think it's chestnut. It's like the brown. I'll show you. So online, I actually did read that you should size up because they run really small, and that's what I did. I actually ordered 2 sizes, but the smaller size I'm not even going to show in this video because there's no point because they are too small. Like, I couldn't even get all the way in. Like, I was like halfway in the shoe and I was like, yeah, no, this is not working. I'm not about to have some Cinderella moment here. So yeah, definitely size up, get a size bigger. They run really small, and even with the bigger size, they're tight. Like, they're really snug and they like hug your foot. But over time, they're going to get a bit loose. They're going to stretch. But yeah, definitely size up. So here they are. Aren't they so cute? These are like the first moccasins I've ever owned. I've never actually owned moccasins, but I think they're so pretty. A little bow right there. And then this is the sole, so it's like you can use these when you're outside. It's fine. So let's just take all the stuffing out, and then I'm actually going to try them on and show you what they look like. The only thing is, I'm not too sure if I like the way they look when I'm wearing them. It almost makes your foot look really chunky. Like, sort of big and wide and yeah, chunky. So I'm not sure if I like that look, but I love the shoes, so I'm definitely keeping them. I'm not returning them because they're just so cute. I mean, they're just so cute. But yeah, they're definitely a tight fit on your foot. They're so adorable. Oh my gosh, like now I can't wait for fall. Like, I'm so excited. Anyway, I think that's enough with the rambling. I'm just gonna go ahead and try these bad boys on, and I will see you in a minute. So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Bye guys!